All I'm going to do is take the Band-Aid off with the tweezers.
They said the pen might come off with it.
All right, and now we can analyze
Do you see the pen?
round Band-Aid. And I do not see the pen on there, but let's put it into the light.
No, I think it's still in there. I
You
think
see
it's still
it?
in there.
Look, you can look. It's not on there.
It's not on the other side either, is it? Have the hook.
I got
Is there a hook?
It's like a round
Yep.
thing. Should be like
Do
a
you
loop.
need this?
I don't think so, but thank you.
Got it?
No, not yet.
I got it.
She got it. She got
Wow. That's
it.
amazing.
Show the pen.
You want to just...
Show the pen.
That's crazy. I'm going to wash the hell out of my ear.
All right, there it is. Zoom
That's crazy. That's
It's
all
gone
it
now.
was.
in. All right. Let me show that there is no bleeding or anything. Yep,
I hope there's no bleeding.
it's... All right, so how did it go, baby? Did you feel any pain when I was pulling the pin out?
No, I had no idea I didn't feel a thing.
And did it hurt when I pulled that little Band-Aid off?
Nope. I honest to God.
You didn't feel anything?
Nope.
And now what are you excited about?
Taking a shower.
Washing.
I'm
Well, you've
gonna
been able
go-
to take a shower. You just haven't been able to wash
without
it.
having to cover that ear, clean my ear good. I'd love to go jump in some water somewhere and swim around.
Oh,
under the water.
yeah. We just got back from the beach and he couldn't get under the water, the pool or ocean.
But I'm also looking forward to introducing beef and pork back into my diet. Starting slow with some dairy, making some cornbread, pour some buttermilk in it.
Yeah.
Maybe in the morning I might have a piece of bacon,
Yeah.
something like that.
They say to wait 24 hours between each reintroduction.
So do you think buttermilk counts since it's not actual beef or pork? It's dairy.
Yeah, and dairy never bothered you before.
Right.
So
Well, it never did to me what I can't even really say that pork really bothered me. It was beef, like, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, dairy might bother me some, but not to the extent that like beef would do.
Yeah, so you can try. I would do like a half a piece of bacon, but we'll see how tomorrow morning goes. You're getting excited about it. He just cut up a tomato and a cucumber. The cucumber's not from your garden though, right?
Not that one, no.
And then this is first tomato of the season. It is July, what's today? 30th?
Oh, 30th, yeah.
Yeah, and we got cornbread in the oven with buttermilk. But you did use, you did use parquet.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Yeah, that looks so
Yeah.
good. So that it's not so much dairy all at once. Like, you know, for the reintroduction.
Yeah, right, more adjustments to the butter.
Reintroduction, yeah.
Yep.
So, and we're having veggies tonight, squash that he made yesterday.
Fake taters. Fake
They're
taters.
so good. He makes the best. And then black-eyed peas and
Pickle beets.
pickle beets. All right, that's the end of our pull out the pen vlog. Let us know if you have any questions. Bye.